YouTube, Big Edster here. Woohoo! What's happening out there in YouTube land? It's been 7 months since I made a video. So what I'm going to do is, this is 7 months of buying. I'm going to make one big stash report. And in this stash report is one of my holy grail vehicles. The first one to pick it out will win the 32 Ford, and second place will get the Thunderbird. We're going to make a little bit of a competition here. So we'll go over here first. Some of this stuff is dupes, but you know, this is what I've acquired in 7 months. Couple nice kits in there. Might be a little dark over here because the others are blocking the view. But got me some Indy cars. I don't know why I got an Indy car mode there for a minute. A couple military vehicles. But so we'll back out of that stash. And we'll go over here. This stack here is the Salvino's Buyers Club or Model Club I'm in. So that's what they've been sending us. All those models right there. Kind of weird, one time I got a 2-pack and there was 2 of Logano, 2 kits were in there. I don't know what that was about, but. So anyway, here's the rest of the stacks. And so this is just what I've been acquiring. I should just stop buying because I need to start building. Building. But in this mess is one of my holy grail vehicles. I finally got one. And I showed those Planet of the Apes ones before, but I've been doing those prehistoric things. I've been getting into them lately for some reason. Kind of stupid, I know, but. So there's that. Here's the big Camaro. I got 2 of these. I got one upstairs already. So I bought them, luckily, when they were still decently priced. And I got the Chevy Stepside and the boat. And I got the Mach 1 here. Been doing some buying. This is a twin outboard speedboat with trailer from Deegan Prince on eBay. I want to make a one-to-one of my Pro Street Blazer out of this. Model Makers Workshop. They offer that, so that's going to be cool. That's a pretty nice print. I don't know if you guys ever saw any of their stuff before, but it's pretty nice. Pretty nice print. Mini rod from MCV. Andy, I can't pronounce his last name properly. He's on Facebook, and he makes some really, really nice prints. You guys need to go over and check out him on Facebook. Then Adam Boston, he has some Facebook things that I get off you know, little auction sales, and that's where some of these kits came from too. But I'll do one more quick scan. We're going on 5 minutes, which, you know me, I don't like to do a lot longer than that video wise. But if the first one can guess what my Holy Grail kit was in here, put it in the comments. The first one to guess it will win the 32, and the second place will get the Thunderbird. And I hate to do this, but you have to be in the States. The way shipping is, I just can't ship overseas anymore. I used to, but I can't do that no more. We'll do one more scam over here. And these are the kits I bought in 7 months. And they come from auction sales and, you know, flea markets and stuff. But anyway, Big Eddie here. We're getting back into the building mode. It's wintertime again. Work slowed down finally. So you're going to be hearing back from me. So guess what? Peace! I'm going to build me a model.